Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am going to do a pour. This is on a 16 by 20 inch artist loft canvas. I am going to be doing some colors, some blues and some greens and a gold, of course, 24 karat gold, of course. And kind of going to do something similar to the one that I previously did on, I think it's video 147. I'll put it down below for sure so you can see that one. But for some reason, I'll show you like I absolutely loved this painting, but look at all these cracks. I'm not sure what happened. I think the only thing that I can think of that's different, because it's my same mixture, everything. I didn't do anything different. But the only thing that I can think of is it's been really cold here in Nebraska, and I didn't want to turn the heat on too soon, and it was actually kind of cold in the house, so it took forever for it to dry. So I don't know if that's why it cracked, but it makes me so sad because it was so beautiful. And you can see like some of it is still damp. I just stuck my finger in there. You can see where I smeared it, and this has been drying for quite a few days now, and yeah, that's the only thing that I can think of what happened, because literally I've mixed my paints exactly the same, and I've never, ever, knock on wood, have had this happen before. So I want to do it again, because I really loved that painting. I thought it was really cool. So I want to kind of do something similar to that. Maybe not exactly, but a little bit similar. And just kind of see what happens. I am going to try to do something a little bit different with my white paint. I haven't so far been able to do the correct recipe. I'm still kind of practicing, and I actually haven't been doing it for a while, but I did mix some Satin's enamel, Decoart's Satin's enamel in with this paint. Maybe to see if we can get a little bit more cell action. I used a lot of water, so it's very runny. It doesn't even make a mound whatsoever. You know, I don't even know if that's going to work or not, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, so let's get to painting. I do want to thank everybody for joining me today. I appreciate you guys so much. All of your kind words and all of your support for my videos. My channel it's growing slowly, but it's growing, so that's what's important. I do want to thank everybody. I'm just tickled over the little bit achievement that I get. YouTube Buddy kind of gives you little kind of awards, I guess you want to call it, where they kind of let you know when you hit a milestone. And so when I hit 750 subscribers, and then I had over 55,000 views, which I was pretty excited about that. So I do appreciate you guys for helping me with that. I'm gonna keep it going, and I'm just looking forward to all of the support and continually better my channel. I am not a professional artist by any means. I was a hairstylist before I started doing this. Although I do love to paint, I just love being creative. Since I can't do that by doing hair anymore, this is what I love to do. So I'm just gonna keep on doing what I'm doing, and as long as my channel's moving in the right direction, that's a good thing. So thanks to you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I know that I cannot say it enough, but I really, really do. Your comments are always so sweet, and they just make my heart happy every time I read all the nice things you guys say about my paintings and my art. So thanks again, everybody, for all your support. So yeah, hopefully I get a little bit of pearl cells out of this. I'm not, you know, I kind of been working, I was trying to do the recipe for a while, and then I kind of started doing more on the schmears, which I love, love, love. Yeah, I'm still going to do that too. So the colors that I'm going to use are the Blinkrylic turquoise, of course, Decoart's 24 karat gold, SoHo's Prussian blue, and let's see, I have Liquitex Basics Florescent green, and Blinkrylic's Florescent blue. And then my schmear color is Amsterdam's titanium white. So let's see. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Just look at how beautiful that is. And look at all that beautiful shimmer. Oh, look at that. So pretty. So much shimmer, shimmer. It's really pretty. These are, I don't know if these are kind of pearl cells or if it's just some funky cells going on. But yeah, if I happen to get more pearl cells popping up, which I don't think that those are, but I don't know. I think the pearl cell with the satin enamel is the fail, so I'm going to have to keep working on that. But look at that. It's so pretty. The colors are gorgeous together. It's definitely not like the last, but it's beautiful though. I kind of like it this way. I think that's pretty like that. But it does look, it looks good any direction. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you will do all that fun jazz like right there. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, thank you. And I do appreciate you guys. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And I am affiliated with Blick. I'm affiliated with Arteza, BeeBeeCraft, and LBeads. So if you're interested, need any supplies, I have a link in the description. If you use it, it's no cost to you, but it does help my channel. So I would appreciate that if you did. If you need some supplies. Holidays are coming up, so they're going to be having some pretty good deals going on here. Black Friday is closely approaching. Faster than we know it. But everybody, have a good day and have a good evening. Thanks for joining me. Keep being creative. Bye.